iPhone 9, iPhone SE 2, first hit the video. It looks nice, but not the fact that it's not fake. Updated, it turned out that this video is fake. According to the latest data, the iPhone 9, also called the iPhone SE 2, still will not hit the market on time due to the coronavirus. When exactly sales start is unclear, but mass production will not begin until March. And while we are even completely unsure of the existence of this smartphone, we can already look at it. More precisely, on a smartphone, which, according to the author of the video, is the very expected model. By the way, we note that the author himself used two names in the title, either to increase coverage, or because of ignorance of the final name. The device on the video looks the same as on numerous leaks of recent times, although this does not mean that we have a real iPhone 9, iPhone SE 2. iPhone 9, iPhone SE 2, first hit the video. But if it is still real, we note a new color, the presence of the home button under the screen, thick frames, a single camera and a case with beveled edges, which is not typical for the iPhone of recent years. This is exactly what the iPhone 12 series devices may look like in the end.